there, like
How you
that.
gonna get up?
I don't know.
Fall backwards.
Well, turn around. Now we twins.
No, put your feet underneath. I don't know if your boots gonna fit, but just turn your body.
Just
over.
swing your legs around.
Yeah, no, not like that.
No.
Oh my God, why are you acting like it's so much?
How you gonna get out?
Just fall
You better fall a
forward.
little close to the fence so you can grab for the fence. One.
Chill. I gotta follow my own time.
What damn terms? 1, 2, 3.
That was the phoniest piece of shit ever. Yo, that should be on America's Funniest Not Videos. That was so whack.
That was so whack.
Listen, you laid there like a flat ass
You did
pancake.
like it.
That was so phony. It was nothing theatrical
Look,
about
now
that.
he can't even pull himself up. Step over this way, you big dummy. Now that's funny. Please come over this way, you big dummy. How's Sanford called them?
But he a fool. He just fell to the side, like
a
dude,
lump,
like it was a lard. Dude,
Right, like a bump
Duke.
on a damn wall.
look, Duke,
Like Humpty Dumpty, you just fell over.
Duke. It wasn't even no.
Wasn't even no spectacular nothing.
Look, he still can't get over. Stupid ass. Still can't get over.
Go ahead, slide down and get
Oh,
a
and your nuts. Yeah, make sure you can't have no kids here. Slide all the way down.
I'm talking all this crazy.
Oh, right on
Ain't
the
nothing touching.
on the nuts.